Hi guys, my name is Saeed. I'm at Hair for All at the moment with my friend Troy.
Yeah.
Troy. So yeah, today we're going to show you how to remove the hair system. As you can see, I got a cotton wool at the moment, so I was wearing a hair system. So we put a cotton wool on to take the glue off. So I'm going to get my scalp clean, and then after that, we'll show you a bit more about how to put a hair system on.
Just start with a bit of C22. It makes it a bit easier to get a grip around the cotton wool on when you're cleaning your scalp. So it's nice and easy. You can pretty much roll the cotton wool off then and get most of that glue off. And see, you just end up with a ball of cotton wool. If it's too hot, mate, let me know.
Nice, absolutely fine. Thank you.
That's it, and then we just shampoo and get it all nice and clean. Stay?
Yeah.
My favourite bit. Just not on mine.
No. Yeah. So what product that was?
So that is the scalp protector.
Okay.
Basically, it helps protect your skin against like the glues and things like that we're going to put on. Creates like a little bit of a film barrier.
Ah, brilliant.
So it doesn't like affect your skin quite as much.
Ah, that makes sense.
So, but it stings, which is
It
always
does,
my favourite bit to watch.
absolutely does, yeah.
Whereas we're just going to do the hairline, so we go just below. Because today we're going to do a little bit of tape, which he doesn't usually have, but we're going to do it because we've got a poly system this time. So we're going to try it out, especially with the lockdown. Be a lot easier for him to clean at home. But we're still going to do glue at this front, so it still looks really natural for him at the hairline because he wears it back off his face. So that's my guidelines. There you go. We're just going to spread it around. We're going to use in the Phantom because of your skin tone. It's got like a little bit of colour to it, so it actually blends in a lot better with like a darker skin tone.
Shop safely in store and online with Dunelm. Busted boiler on a freezing day. Typical. Now we're spending more time at home. So before that happens, get a quote from British Gas on a
So at this point, Troy put the glue on, Phantom glue. As you can see, we're letting it dry for a bit. If required, we'll probably give it another coat, so it becomes a bit thicker. Lasts a bit longer, about a month or so.
So we got it all taped up for him today. I like to call it the D. But we also call this bit an anchor, so when he does his front touch up...
I'm not going to ask what that stands for.
And then we're going to get it just above that line for him. Roll it back. And then when he feels that tape, he should feel it gets quite tight.
Yeah.
So I'll roll it back. So we don't drop that last bit. Put it on. And that's it. Should feel a bit tight. Best way of describing it to me, well, I've always found the best way of describing it for me is it's a bit like wearing a baseball cap.
Yes.
You put a baseball cap on, it feels a little bit tight.
Absolutely.
And then after like half an hour or so, you're so used to wearing it that if you take it off, it feels alien.
Absolutely. I do agree.
And
the other thing is, like, the gap that we left in the middle, so that's going to give a bit of breathing space.
So basically
as
it helps if you sweat a lot or anything like that. It gives the sweat somewhere to escape, so you can almost like, you can breathe a little bit more and it feels a bit more comfortable over the long term.
That makes sense.
And also I find it helps with the loss of hair.
Yeah.
You tend to get a lot less with the kind of with that section just because you're not having to clean it so constantly all the time.
That makes sense.
So that's it. Next thing we're doing, we're cutting it.
And we'll show you once that's done.
Yeah, that's it. So we're just going to get the length off this top now. So we've blended it in a bit. And take a good few inches off that top. Just so we can get it to sit nicely. Because you wear it brush back, don't you?
Yeah.
So you want it to blend in nicely at the back. Because that's where most of the weight is going to end up.
So the other reason that I'm keeping the length long is when I was re-grooming it at home, my own hair. I trimmed them too much.
A bit short.
So yeah,
A little bit short.
A little bit short. So we're keeping the length long. So I'm gonna regrow them, and then next time when I come in, hopefully
Get it all reblended,
yeah.
recut in.
Hello guys. So as you can see, just done the hair system and Troy did a haircut. Probably if you could show us around, please. So went on number 1 and then number 4 to sort of blend it in. And then as the hairline as well, it looks nice and clean. Yes, thank you. That's job well done.